Hi, I'm Richard C. I'm a math tutor at Wyzant, and I'm answering a question supplied by a student. Before we go ahead and answer this question, I just want to start by giving you this information that is really the basis of our solution. If the natural log, ln stands for natural log, if the natural log of a is equal to x, then it's also true that a has to equal e to the x. And so we're going to use this rule. Now notice I put it in red, and that's because I think it's something that is worth memorizing. We're going to use this rule now to solve the problem. Okay, so let's start by just copying it out. So 3 times the natural log of 2x plus 4 equals 26. So we're going to isolate the log. See, we want to use this expression here in red, and notice how this natural log has been isolated. So we're going to divide both sides by 3 to isolate the natural log. And so that's going to give us 26 over 3. And now we're going to use this rule here. So a in this situation is 2x plus 4. And so we're going to say that a, which is 2x plus 4, is equal to e raised to the 26 over 3. So normally I would just put this into my calculator, but the instruction says we're not supposed to do that. We're supposed to give the exact answer. So now we just have to isolate x. So we'll do that by subtracting 4. So it's e to the 26 over 3 minus 4, and then we'll divide by 2. So x is going to be 1/2 e to the 26 over 3 minus 2. And that's it. That's our final answer. And that's all the question is asking us to do. Now this rule in red is a part of a general rule that you have to remember about logs. And this is called the logarithmic form of an equation, and this is called the exponential form of an equation. And these two equations are equivalent. They are equivalent, and you need to be able to move back and forth. Sometimes you'll start with an exponential equation and you have to write it as a logarithmic equation. I wrote it this way as an if-then because that's exactly what we're doing in this particular problem. But really, these two things are equivalent, and you can go in either direction. You can go from log to exponential, or you can go from exponential to log. So that's it for this one. This is a fairly quick and easy problem if you know the rule. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.